up to, it's still seeing some showers and just enough of that orange and yellow on the radar. It's coming down heavily here in through parts of Orange County and Sullivan County. These are pushing to the north right now ahead of that main line and looking into Nassau County, catching up with you probably around midday and after. But you see all of those beautiful leaves. A lot of trees are going to get shredded with those gusty winds today. So between now and say 10 a.m. coming through the city, by midday and into the early afternoon, Connecticut, Long Island, temperature staying in the 60s. So no big dramatic drop of temperature just yet. In fact, clearing out for the evening, temperatures staying into the low 50s. But again, the next couple of hours really, really messy. So maybe change your plans to be on the road. If you're going to have to be out at that time, maybe sit tight. All right, Lauren, anything else to watch out for? Approach currently now near the Delaware River and through northwestern New Jersey, Pike County as well, seeing some heavy rainfall. This is all pushing off to the east, so the next couple of hours really going to deteriorate. The sun trying to make a brief appearance, but again, heavy rain and gusty winds for the midday. Once that rain is out of here, we do clear out again, but we don't cool down quickly just yet. In fact, another day in the 50s tomorrow. It's back into the 40s early next week. Between now and then, though, not only more showers, but maybe some snow showers. So I'll take a look at that chance in the 10-day forecast.
A little bit.
Yeah, maybe a little later because it's going to be pretty chilly. But I love what Lauren said earlier. You know, the vendors are out there. They're going to be ready with umbrellas for you if needed, which you may need in the next couple of hours. Not right now, as you're getting a beautiful view of this sunrise from Jersey City. But let me give you the next 24 hours or so in a nutshell. That heaviest rain on its way between, say, now and 1 p.m. and damaging wind gusts really across the area. And concerned about this because those gusts for a couple hours will be in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range, and still watching the weekend showers, which include maybe some snow showers. Not from this, but this is the one that's going to deliver all of that heavy rain, and it's coming close. It's now moving into northwestern New Jersey, into Pike County, Sullivan County as well. You see all of that yellow. So the next few hours, by 8 a.m., beginning to see that line really take shape and move through. In that 10 a.m. or so hour, it's through the Hudson Valley, the city, and South Jersey, and then through Long Island and Connecticut as we get into the early afternoon. All the while, with these bouts of rain, you're talking about those gusts in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range. And because of the setup, you may get a brief little rotation, which can isolate some of that wind damage potential. So be aware, have a way to get warnings, and just be weather aware over the next several hours. You can see 9, 10 this morning, even into the early part of the afternoon, Suffolk County, you could be looking at maybe more of the 50+ mile per hour range. And then we're not done. We get a brief clearing out later on today and tonight, and the clouds are back. This is another sort of little disturbance rotating through tomorrow midday, like a spoke on a wheel. It comes through pretty quickly, but you can see it may have a brief bout of some heavy rainfall here during the peak of the Saturday afternoon time period. And then north and west, you see some blue on the models there, maybe just enough in the higher elevations of Sullivan, Ulster County, Poconos, and Catskills to get some of that snow to accumulate, at least briefly. So don't be surprised to see some of that. Temperature-wise, right now, we're pretty much as warm as it's going to get. 66 in Newark, 64 right now in the city.
Maria, what's happening?
All right, that heavy rain is beginning to move in. We have it through Warren, Sussex County, Pike County, spots of heavier showers through Orange and Ulster County too. But that main line, it may be brief, but it's going to pack a punch. It's that heavy rain the next couple of hours. You can see through the city and Hudson Valley in that 9, 10 a.m. time period. And then after that, moving through Connecticut and Long Island, it'll be brief, but wind gusts in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range is already gusty, so it could produce some wind damage. We clear out briefly, some showers possible for midday tomorrow, and then the chill really settles in. We may get a few snow showers both Saturday and into Monday, north and west.
There we have it.
There we have it.
All right.
And it's November. All right. Stay with us. We're going to have local news updates every 30 minutes throughout the morning, and the Today Show is coming up next.
That's what's happening today in New York. Have a wonderful weekend.